Hi everyone, my name is Gauthier. I'm one of the co-founders of Perlego. So being a recent former student myself, one of the biggest issues I encountered whilst at university were expensive price of textbooks. I'd buy an accounting book worth £200, read 2 chapters of the book and never use it again. And I'm not the only one. Textbook prices have increased by 847% since 1982, or 3 times the rate of inflation. It's a huge problem for both publishers and students, where students on average in the UK are spending about £439 on books a year. In the US, it's $1,200. And on the publisher side, publishers are losing 41% of their market due to secondhand book sales and also due to piracy. So the solution we've built has been branded by the press as the Spotify for textbooks. Our solution for students is a simple space where they can find all their core learning material. A platform that's mobile first, as over 40% of our users, 56% of our users are currently reading on the go. Our solution, so Perlego operates on a 2-sided model. We target students through our B2C model, and on our B2B model, we've actually identified that lifelong learning is one of the biggest trends in education, and so we sell Perlego as a corporate library to major corporates in the UK. Our solution for publishers is we firstly target price-sensitive audiences who wouldn't be buying books in the first place by preventing piracy from happening. So we've built 2 types of readers, a server-side reading e-reader for our desktop platform and AWS encryption on our mobile app. And then thirdly, we provide them all the data. So as a publishing partner of ours, you get to see metrics such as who's been reading what, how much time has been spent on a book, which title, which chapter is most popular, really powerful information which allows publishers to reinvest into better content. So in terms of what we've been doing, we've been going for about 18 months. We raised 4.8 million in September, and we've been trying to show publishers that the model works in Europe. We work with over 2,300 publishers. We've got about 280,000 titles. We work with the likes of Pearson, Sage, Wiley, and Springer, to name a few. We launched marketing in September, and it's been going through the roof. And essentially, what is our competitive advantage? I believe we've got 2 types of competitive advantages that will mean that we'll succeed in the market. The first is we shorten the supply chain by 80%. So by cutting out the print distribution costs, you can make a much more efficient model. And secondly, we give 65% of revenue back to the publishers. So we essentially try and increase the lifetime value of our users and are here to help the publishing industry back to growth. Thirdly, we've built a brand that students absolutely love. This is a campaign we did on campus where student ambassadors are promoting Perlego locally to their users. Thanks.